Daddy, can we please make some slime?
No, girls, you know me and your mom don't like you guys having slime.
Why, Daddy? Why?
Because you girls make a mess everywhere.
Please, please, please.
No, sorry, girls.
Come here. How about we make our own slime up and down, tell your mom and daddy? Yeah! Let's go. Wait, I gotta go get the shake. Got a perfect place to hide and make the slime. The pantry. That's right, these are the things we need. Glue, bowl, mixing things, activator, and we might put some cool stuff inside our slime. Like sparkles? Yeah, like sparkles. I'll go get the bowl. Okay, I will wait here. Oh my gosh, Daddy's out there doing the dishes. I'm gonna sneak and go get the bowl for us.
Sekora, what are you doing?
Mommy needs this bowl for something. Got the bowl, Sefari. So what do we need next? Glue. I know where it is. I'm gonna go get it. Okay, I'll wait here. Daddy's not there anymore. Oh no, Daddy's in the office. That's where glue is. I have to be very quiet.
Hello? Yes.
So I got the glue. Yeah, good job, Sefari. I'm going to go get the laundry detergent for the activator. You stay here. Okay, Sekora.
Oh, I forgot. It's my turn to do the laundry.
Oh, Daddy, what are you doing?
Just gotta throw the laundry into the dryer.
Daddy, do you need some help?
No, I don't need no help, but you can watch me do it.
Okay.
Hey, where are you going?
I'm just gonna go play with Sefari.
Alright.
Sefari, you got the activator. Good job, Sekora. What do we need next, Sekora? We need color, but that's easy because it's right there. Sefari, the last thing we need is sparkles. Yeah, I will go get that. Okay.
Hey, Sefari, I thought you and Sekora were playing.
Yeah, we are. I'm gonna just get something.
Alright, baby.
He's gone. No, I'm gonna get the blue. I like these two. Squirrel, I got the sparkles. Good job, Sefari. Now let's make our slime, Sefari. Yeah. Wait! We forgot our mixer. Now let's start making our slime.
Girls, what are you doing?
We're just playing. We're okay, we're just playing.
Okay, call me if you need anything. I'm just folding the laundry.
Okay, we will. Okay, Sefari, hurry. We have to hurry up or Daddy might come down. Hurry. Done. Yeah, that's a lot. Sefari, let's let it sit for a bit. Let's go talk to Daddy so he doesn't know we're up to something. Hey, Daddy, what are you doing?
Just getting some work done, girls.
Well, we just wanted to see what you're doing. Bye, Daddy.
All right.
Oh, the slime's all finished, Sefari. Yes. So sticky. This is the best feeling ever. Sefari, this is the best thing we ever done. Yeah, Sekora, this.
Girls, where are you?
This is
Girls?
Oh, I love slime.
Where are those girls? Are you serious? Didn't I tell you girls you weren't allowed to play with slime? Or make slime?
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Oh, how could I resist those faces, girls? But you're still grounded. Give me that slime and get to your rooms. This slime is amazing.
Okay, girls, have fun with Grandma.
Okay, Mommy.
And Grandma, no slime for them, please.
No slime. Okay, no slime. You girls heard that. Okay, see you girls. Bye. Oh, wait, girls. Wait for your old grandma. Come on. Okay, girls, sit here and Grandma's gonna put on a show for you. And put on a show. Girls, Grandma's just gonna have a little nap, okay?
Okay.
You can make your own edible charm bracelets. Okay, that sounds cool. Edible jewelry?
1 hour later.
I'm bored. Me too. What should we do, Sefari? I don't know. I know. Let's make some slime. But Mommy told Grandma not to let us make slime. But I don't want to get in trouble. Don't worry, I won't let us get in trouble. Okay, let's do it, Sekora. Yeah. Okay, Sefari, these are the things we need. Glue, activator, glitter, shaving cream. What else do we need? Color. Glue. Yes, I said glue, silly. Bowl and mixers. Okay, I'm gonna go get the bowl and mixers. You stay right here, okay?
What do you have there? Well, what is that?
Oh, me and Sefari are just doing a craft.
Oh, okay. Grandma's just gonna have another little nap, okay?
Okay. Sefari, I have the bowls. So what do we need next? Oh, we need glue. I go get it. More glue.
Sefari! What do you got that for?
Oh, just me and Sekora just making the craft.
Okay. Grandma's just gonna take a 5-minute nap. I'm so tired. Okay.
Sekora got the glue. Good job, Sefari. So Sekora, what we need next? Oh, I know. Now we need activator. I'll go get that. Okay, Sekora, stay right here.
Where's my glasses? Sekora, what are you using this big water bottle for?
Oh, me and Sefari are just really thirsty.
Okay. I wish I could find my glasses, but okay. Grandma's just really tired. Just wake me up in 5 minutes. Can you wake me up in 5 minutes, please?
Okay.
Okay.
Sefari got the activator. Yes. Sefari, are we missing anything? Yeah, Sekora. We slime want to be fluffy, so we need some shaving cream. I'm gonna go get it. Good thinking, Sefari. Oh, I should get a towel and wrap it up so Grandma doesn't see this. Oh, I'm just playing baby, and this is my baby.
Rock-a-bye baby on the
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I think it's time for Grandma to wake up now.
Okay, Sefari, it's time to make our slime. Oh, I think it's ready.
Girls? Sekora, Sefari, where are you? Where are you girls? Oh, what are you girls doing?
Just coloring, just coloring.
Oh, yeah, okay. That's good. Oh, that looks like some nice coloring job you're doing there, Sekora.
Thank you.
Oh, is there anything you guys need me to get you?
No.
Okay. Grandma's just gonna have...
We know a little nap. Let's start playing with it. Here, let's dump it out. Here, let me dump it out. Wow, this is so cool. I love slime. Mommy and Daddy are home. Run, take your slime.
I have no complaints. No complaints.
Yeah, we had so much fun coloring. Right, Sefari? Like Sekora. Hey, Sefari! Uh-oh, I know that look. Whatever do you mean? Sekora, you know exactly what I mean. What? Now what is it? What have you planned? Well, since you asked, come with me. Uh-oh, I got the bad feeling of this. Ta-da! Water, baby powder, detergent, conditioner, glue. Sekora, is this what I think it is? It's fine. Nothing to worry about. You know we're not allowed to make slime. Don't worry, Daddy won't be home in a while. And what about Mommy? Mommy's okay with it if we clean up our mess. Let's do it, Sekora. Isn't this so much fun, Sefari? Mm-hmm. We play with this for hours. Yeah, hours. Wait, did you say hours? Daddy's gonna be home soon.
I'm home!
Sekora, how are we gonna clean up this mess? I don't know, but we have to do something until Daddy comes upstairs. Okay, be cool, be cool. Hey, Daddy!
Hey girls, what do you guys got going on here?
Just playing.
That's cool. Well, girls, guess what?
What?
I know I've had a strict rule of no slime in this house, and you girls are really good. I mean, you've never disobeyed it, right?
Yeah? Of course not, Daddy. Yeah.
So I got a little surprise for you.
You said Mommy's okay with us making slime. I was only joking. I didn't really think you would believe me.
What are you guys whispering about? Is something wrong?
No. But what's the surprise?
Well, the surprise is slime! Girls, what's up? I thought you'd be so excited. You haven't played with slime in like forever.
Daddy, we have a confession to make. Yeah, Daddy.
Okay, girls, what is it?
Dad, we made slime today. And it's all under here.
Girls, I'm so disappointed in you. I can't believe you made that slime when you know you're not supposed to. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to give you guys these pretty amazing slimes.
Aww.
Sorry, girls.
Sefari, we're gonna get that slime. I'm bored. Me too. What if we ask Mommy to make slime, Sekora? But Mommy's gonna say no, she doesn't like us making slime. It's worth a try. Mommy, can we make slime?
No, No.
Aww. Let's ask again. She usually says yes the second time. Yeah.
No.
Third time's a charm. Yeah.
No. No.
Oh, Sekora, Mommy says no for everything. Yeah. I have an amazing idea. Okay, what is it, Sekora? How about we make Mommy a cup of coffee? She always says yes when she has a cup of coffee. Great idea, Sekora.
Coffee?
Mommy, can we please make slime?
Fine.
Yes!
A few moments later.
Slime time!
So here's our slime. Look at this. Look at this color. I think this is the best one so far.
Yeah.
Out of any of the slimes that we
like
have.
blue one.
I'm sorry, but out of all the ones that we have, Sekora, yours does not compare to this glittery
Yes, it does.
beautifulness.
So that's